Okay, this is my 2006 Ford F350, and I'm going to try to show a unique problem I have. The truck won't crank, won't even turn over, and I had it on the batteries on a slow charge. They're actually new batteries, about 6 months old, and you can see this camera's not the best in the world. And that's an old charger, but you know, it's been this battery's been charged all night long, and this one charged. I've had this problem before, and one thing I know to check, you know, the headlights work fine. All the lights and the gauges work great. But if you put it in, keys in, and it takes a little while. This is warm weather too. It's really hot down here. You can hear there's really. I bought this truck. It only has 20,000 miles. Yeah, I know it's not much, but watch what happens. Nothing. And I thought it might be a linkage problem. I put it in neutral and nothing. But you can see there's no strain. Usually if you got a bad battery, the inside lights will go dim. And I can't figure this out to save my life. Now if I go back out here, yeah, the truck is used to haul this camper, this Lance camper, and that's it. I don't tow anything with it, and it sits in the garage all the time. But you can see it put some strain on the battery a little bit. If I go down here to quick charge, it seems like it drained the batteries, and I'll assure you that one's the same way. So I'm lost here. I'm totally lost. I'm going to post this on YouTube if I figure out how. Maybe I get some help. I'm also going to send it to powerstroke.com to see what they say. I really like this truck. It's really nice. It's very quick. And if it hauls this camper, which it does, I mean, this is 3,600 pounds dry weight. You don't even know what's back here, hardly. Excellent gas miles too. I mean, you know, about 13 miles a gallon hauling if I drive them right. Okay, that's it.